In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post your business on Facebook Marketplace step by step so you can get your products or services in front of more people without wasting time. This is a simple method that works great whether you're promoting a product, a local service, or a small business listing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and go to Marketplace from the menu. Marketplace is where you can create a new listing and reach people nearby who are already looking to buy. Once you're inside Marketplace, look for the option that says Create New Listing and click it. This is the starting point for posting your business. Next, you'll need to choose the listing type. In most cases, you can select Item for Sale or choose the option that best matches what you're offering. If you're selling a physical product, Item for Sale is usually the right choice. If your business is more service-based, use the closest relevant option available so your listing still makes sense to buyers. After that, upload photos of your product or service. This part is really important because good photos help your listing stand out and make people more likely to click on it. Try to use clear, bright images that show what you're offering from the best angle possible. If you're posting a service, use photos that represent your business well, such as your work, your team, your location, or examples of what you do. Now it's time to enter the title. This should be your business name, product name, or a short title that clearly tells people what you're offering. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to understand. A strong title helps people immediately know what your listing is about. Then add the price. If you're selling a product, enter the actual price. If you're promoting a service or something custom, use the price that makes the most sense for your offer. The goal is to be honest and straightforward so buyers know what to expect right away. Next, select the correct category. Choosing the right category helps Facebook place your listing in the right search results and makes it easier for the right people to find you. Take a moment here to pick the category that best fits your business or product instead of rushing through it. After that, enter your description. This is where you explain your business, your service, or the item you're selling. Include helpful details like what you offer, what makes it useful, who it's for, and anything a buyer should know before contacting you. If you want more messages and better results, try to make the description clear, professional, and easy to read. Once everything is filled out, click Next. Facebook will take you to the final review screen so you can double-check your listing before it goes live. Make sure the photos, title, price, category, and description all look correct. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before publishing. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your business listing will now be posted on Facebook Marketplace and visible to potential buyers. From there, you can start getting views, messages, and interest from people who are interested in what you offer. And that's it. You've now learned how to post your business on Facebook Marketplace. It's a quick and effective way to promote your business and reach more customers. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.